It's scan time. This is my first ever scan for an injury. Go time. Oh, okay, so good news is it's over. Bad news is I'm gonna have to wait a few days for it to get back to my GP. Fingers crossed, something shows up.
We've come for our first Calvary and I've gone for lamb and Ev's gone for beef.
So I want to get some goldfish.
And Yaz said no.
My baby shot me down.
No, don't do that. Pity party. Do you know why, people? Because Evan won't clean the goldfish tank. It'll be me that be left to clean the goldfish tank. And I like the idea of a dirty goldfish tank is rotten. So
wait till you go home and see the house today.
Why is it spotless? Did you hoover?
And mopped.
Did you?
I did.
Really?
I did.
You listen?
No.
Oh, I can't wait now.
Clean the sinks as well.
Did you? What with what?
The white things.
Oh, I'm delighted. I thought I was going to have to go home and scrub.
There you go now. Where are we off to?
Home store one.
But to get the
More
fishes here.
savings. What is it?
The fish.
No, the saying, home store more savings every day.
That's super value or something. I actually love this shop. Do you like this shop?
Yeah, for cleaning products.
Like, I just love all the knick-knack stuff in it. It's just like, it's just mad. Guess where we're going? Are we getting goldfish?
No.
Are we getting foxes? Do you know you can actually buy foxes as pets?
No, my fox killed our chickens in my parents' house. Oh, there's fish over there, we can go and look.
Really?
No, just look at
Or a budgie. Would you like a budgie? Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this one. Yeah, it's actually made a valid point. I'd love a bird, but then it's kept in a cage.
Those aren't supposed to be kept in cages, they're supposed to be flying freely.
Yeah.
Unless you've got like this whopper mansion with like acres of space that's... No.
And then the goldfish in there didn't really look that good.
And then even when we had our hens in our garden, they weren't in cages. It was like fenced, but they weren't like caged. Like, you're not supposed to cage animals, it's wrong. Sorry, I actually feel quite strongly about it.